Andre Patterson. I've seen that you'll be taking your graduation. Well, good for you. But there is no graduation who can make you a man. Step number 1. First of all, to become a man, you have to get yourself a gun. Like this shining beauty. But remember, you have to treat it like a woman. And never forget, you are the man. You are the one who controls her. Secondly is your haircut. Always have a nice shiny haircut. I promise you, the woman likes it very, very much. You have to show them that you are taking real good care of yourself. Next thing we are going to talk about is drinking. It's all about what and how you drink it. A good martini is a really good example for this. Never take it all at once. No. You watch me do it like a real man. Incredible tasty, unbelievable. And you have to show the woman that you are capable of taking real good care of them, if you see what I mean. And now, as very last thing of all, is smoking. It's smoking cigars. You know, a real man has a good taste for tobacco. But there is one problem. You will never become a man. So I'm afraid this is goodbye. Andre Patterson. Congratulations, bitch. Oh man, oh. Oh. Jag hatar oliver.